Farmers know their land better than anybody, whether it's the way the sun comes up in the morning or goes down at night, what farm they want to build on, or what way the wind blows on that cold January day. Building a home on a farm isn't just a home, it's part of the operation.
We were thrilled with how it came together. Matt was just always approachable and very accommodating. And I think that's a huge thing when you're working with a builder, is to feel comfortable with the builder and feel like you can ask them questions.
All of the trades he uses, we were very happy with. You could tell that they were some of the best around here.
The build quality, the process, all that, we really had confidence that it was going to turn out well.
If you're thinking about building in 2027, give us a call and let's start the conversation.